Welcome back. Today it's the plant spotlight. It's the plant spotlight. It's the plant spotlight. I just had to see if I could do that because I love to sing, see if I could clip it all together. So let me know if you liked that. Anyway, we are back. Today is a new plant spotlight, as I said, and today we are focusing on the amazing Ludwigia plant. So let's get started and learn some facts about one of my absolute favorite plants.
The Ludwigia repens is a low-maintenance freshwater plant, and it goes by many names like the creeping primrose, the water primrose, and red Ludwigia. It has 82 species and is native to North and Central America and found in tropical ponds, streams, and lakes.
While I was researching on this plant and learned that it had 82 species, there is actually a debate going on between botanists and taxonomists over the classification of all of these species of Ludwigia. But one common thing that I found is there is a split between the red Ludwigias and the yellow. Yes, there are two colors to this amazing plant. So the species I'm going to be talking about is the most common, which is Ludwigia repens, as well as inclinata and grandulosa. And those are the ones that come in a variety of beautiful colors, as well as like dark greens, reds, and even bright pinks.
Though these plants prefer warm waters and a neutral pH, they are pretty hardy as long as you have that nutrient-rich substrate so that they can grow their 12 to almost 20 inches at full maturity. And these are a trailing plant, meaning they grow from a thick stalk and have opposite spade-shaped leaves every 4 to 5 centimeters. And this plant is also called the aquatic weed because it spreads so easily.
I'd like to add in here that they do prefer medium to high lighting to make sure that they grow correctly. They can grow in lower lighting, but it's just going to take them a lot longer than it would if you have medium to high lighting.
Now, because these plants grow so easily, you need to make sure you stay on top of that maintenance, and you will have a beautiful decor piece for your underwater scapes that's going to help remove ammonia, nitrates, and keep the water conditions stable. Lastly, we are going to talk about tank mates, which include mollies, guppies, tetras, and of course our beta sonic. And I would recommend not including cichlids as they do tend to pull and dig.
All right, so what did you think about the amazing Ludwigia? It is actually one of my favorite plants, and I try to include it in a lot of my scapes because it has such a beautiful pink reddish color to it, and a lot of plants just have beautiful greens. So it's nice to change up the color a little bit. Now, I do recommend that anytime you get any new plant, make sure that you ask what type of plant it is, and you do your research before you include it in any tank. All right, I will see you in the next plant spotlight. Bye.